If you haven't heard of VisoMaster Fusion, you're missing one of the most powerful face swap tools available today. It lets you swap faces in images, videos, and even live video calls, with support for multiple face swapping at the same time. The best part is that it performs incredibly well even on low VRAM GPUs, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Instead of relying on traditional face enhancers, you can use its model resolution feature for excellent output quality. One of my favorite features is its advanced occlusion handling, which keeps objects like hands, glasses, microphones, and other obstacles looking natural. It also includes powerful text masking and XSeg masking, giving you precise control over different facial regions such as the lips, eyes, neck, and much more. And it's not just a face swap tool. VisoMaster Fusion also includes real-time face editing features. You can change hair color, apply makeup, adjust facial features, and make other edits, even during live video calls. If you're looking for an all-in-one face swap solution, VisoMaster Fusion has almost everything you need. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Now, let's get started and see how to install VisoMaster Fusion locally on your computer. To get started, click the GitHub link in the video description to visit the official VisoMaster Fusion repository, where you can find the latest updates and installation files. Although the GitHub page mainly lists CUDA Toolkit 13.0 as a requirement, I've tested VisoMaster Fusion with CUDA Toolkit versions 11.8 through 13.0, and they work without any issues. Before installing the software, make sure you have Python March 10th, 11, CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 13.0, FFmpeg, Visual Studio with the desktop development with C++ workload, and Git for Windows installed on your system. These components are required to ensure the installation completes successfully and that all features of VisoMaster Fusion work properly. Once you've installed these prerequisites, we'll move on to the installation process and get VisoMaster Fusion up and running on your computer. To install on main page, click on Code option and copy Git code. Now go to Drive or folder you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command window will open. Type git clone and paste code you copied to clone this. Now type cd and copy and paste folder path to go inside VisoMaster main folder. Create venv using Python 3.10. Now, activate venv with activation code. Since VisoMaster only got CUDA Toolkit 13.0 requirements file, we can only install 13.0. Go to main page of PyTorch, add copy code for 13.0. Paste that code in command window to install PyTorch. Once PyTorch installed, go to main folder and open requirements file. Remove Torch Audio and Torch Vision from list. Change CPI version and save requirements file. Now run requirements code to install requirements. After requirements installed, run models download code to download models. Run main code. This will launch VisoMaster Fusion. To use VisoMaster again, make a bat file. Go to main folder and create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now you can easily launch this anytime double-clicking this file. To use VisoMaster, first create a folder in main folder and name it Faces. Put face pictures in it. Only put PNG and JPEG. Create another folder and name it Target and put target pictures and videos in it. Create third folder and name it Results. Now go to VisoMaster. Select Target folder in Target option, Faces folder in Face option. Now in Settings, choose Result folder. At bottom in setting there you will see number of cams. Increase it depending on how many cam your system got. There also start virtual cam option, which you need to turn on when you're ready to call. Now save this workflow so next time you use it you can upload it rather than selecting folders again. To use for face swap of pictures, click on picture you want to swap face of. Click on Find Face. Once face found, click on Found Face and face you what it look like and click on Swap Face. For swap face on webcam, click on More option. Click on webcam icon. This will display list of your cams. Click on Find Face and face you want to look like. To call, turn on Virtual Cam option. You don't need to turn on OBS Studio. Go to Tool, where you want to call. Choose OBS Virtual Cam as your cam. That's it, you can video call using VisoMaster Fusion. I hope you like this video. If you got any quest or request, comment. You can get portable version even for 50 Sri's graphic card from Buy Me Coffee, link is in my description. And don't forget to subscribe. Take care.